Crazy. Oh my gosh, I keep fucking doing this right. Hey, Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today is the Besties collab with my bestie, Mountain Witch Christine. I am so very excited, but also kind of nervous. There's a reason why. This is Christine's idea. She wanted to do a holiday themed look, but also doing the Nomad makeup challenge. So it would be very interesting to do, but I don't want to go very cliche with the look or anything. I really don't. I don't want to go with the reds, just reds and greens, but there is a palette that I want to use because I really do enjoy Nomads because mix. So I'm using the Nomads Venice-Simplon Express palette because I feel like these colors would work with this challenge, especially with that red, but I want to play with that blue. I am a blue fiend. I love blue. Blue is actually one of my favorite colors to work with in eyeshadows. And I really do. But you got the other colors, and I don't want to, usually I work with one palette, but that's what I'm going to end up doing. So I'm going to do a very simple look with this, truthfully, and then just go for it that way. Because it is a makeup challenge, so do as you wish, as you want. So it would be very interesting as heck. So I'm just going to do one eye. This is a makeup challenge from Nomad. I'm kind of nervous. I don't do challenges like this. I don't because I get really nervous. Like I do, and it's like one of those things. Like if I don't like the makeup look, I don't like it. If I don't like it, I'm hard on myself. Like I'm really hard on myself. So I'm going to be saying, "Hey, Alex, it's okay. It's just having fun." Fix that angle, which I kind of do anyway. We're gonna fix that with concealer. Gotta trust the process here. I have to trust the process. I gotta trust the process. This is what my brain is telling me to do, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back with the finished look for the Nomad Holiday Challenge, which I do like. It's something not too cliche, something out of my comfort, not really out of my comfort zone. It's just challenges are a little bit hard for me, so it's just like I don't know what, but you know what? I like it, and so it matters, right? Yep. So make sure you check out my bestie, see what she come up with, and also all the products I've used in this video will be down below. Of course, there will be affiliated links if you want to help out this channel. If you want to see what products I've used and you want to try them out, I'll have the link for you guys. But yeah, hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.